Ever feel like your fridge dies before payday? You keep buying things you think you need and somehow you're broke. Again, it's time to hit pause. No, freeze. On your spending, literally. Here are 8 freeze hacks to start your no-buy journey and finally stack some savings. Let's start with the easiest, most effective freeze. Your payment methods. Go into every app and delete your saved cards. When your brain says, I want it, your fingers should have to work for it. The more annoying it is to spend, the less likely you are to do it. This is digital discipline. Bread is one of the most wasted foods in the US. You eat 2 slices and the rest goes moldy. So buy in bulk on sale, then freeze it in portions. Need toast? Grab 2 frozen slices, boom. You just avoided a daily store trip and a $5 temptation spiral. Impulse buys are budget snipers. Here's your shield. The 72-hour rule. See something cute or cool? Don't buy. Write it down. If you still want it in 3 days and it fits your budget, fine. But 9 out of 10 times, you won't even remember it existed. Tip 4. Freeze leftovers. Immediately. Your fridge shouldn't be a science experiment. If you're not eating those leftovers by tomorrow, freeze them tonight. This builds up emergency meals you can microwave instead of ordering takeout because you're too tired to cook. That's $20 saved minimum. Tip 5. Freeze beauty. Spending. Freeze your beauty budget. You don't need 4 lotions, 3 cleansers, and that $40 serum TikTok told you to buy. Choose one product to use until it's empty, then replace. This hack alone saved me $300 last year, and I still look moisturized. Tip 6. Freeze retail apps. Delete the shopping apps. Yes, even your wishlist apps. These companies pay engineers to make you shop. You can't win that game if you're always online. Want to buy something? Add it to a list. If it still matters after 30 days, you'll find a smarter way to buy it. Tip 7. Freeze subscriptions. Subscriptions are silent budget killers. Go through your card statements. Anything you haven't used this week, pause it. Don't cancel yet, just freeze it. If you miss it, you'll resubscribe. If you forget it existed, you didn't need it. Tip 8. Freeze all spending for 30 days. This is the challenge that changed my life. A 30-day no-buy month. You pay for essentials, rent, utilities, basic groceries. Everything else? Frozen. No new clothes, no apps, no Amazon carts. Just presence, discipline, and a bigger bank balance. Freeze doesn't mean suffer, it means slow down. Question. Interrupt the spending reflex. Pick just 3 of these tips this week and watch what happens to your money. Like and subscribe for more frugal living hacks that are weird. But they work.